Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Atomic Polish, Johnny and June. I'll be using Lina Twirls and Swirls 01. Here is Atomic Polish and this one is June. So pretty. And then the next one is Johnny. And this was from the Polish and Beauty Expo in Nashville. These were their VIP, not VIP, but, you know, their exclusive polishes for that event. And I decided to wear them together, as they should be. And if you're not sure of what I mean by Johnny and June, okay, y'all know it was held in Nashville. So these are polishes for Johnny and June Cash. And I think the maker did a great job on these. First time I have tried Atomic Polish, and I'm pretty pleased with them. They've got so much shimmer in them that they're just bling-tastic. And you guys know I love me some bling-tastic. I love a good cream too, but don't get me wrong. When I see polishes like this with shimmer in them, they just make my heart go thumpity-thumpity-thump. I love them so much. And I am a big fan of the Man in Black. I love him. I just, you know, I'm more of a rock and roll girl. I'm from the hair bands of the 70s and 80s and whatnot, but, you know, still got to have an appreciation for the country music too. Now look how gorgeous that is. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, we got to get some and kind of go in down by the side. The side was needing more. So pretty. I'm going to top these with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. We get them dry down. Today I'm going to do some double stamping on these. Isn't that pretty? Such a pretty purple with that pink shimmer in it. So nice. Loving it. Alright, so I've got to get some top coat on this Johnny polish over here. I think my camera cut out. Ooh, so pretty. I'm going to cap my free edge real quick. Ooh, yes, I'm in love. Hi, Woody, how you doing? There we go. Here's my swatch photo of Johnny and June. Here's Lina Twirls and Swirls 01. And I've got out my bases loaded lacquer on the black, an AliExpress stamper, and here we go. We've also got Maniology Gold Rush. And we're just going to double stamp these. I'm going to stamp in black, and then I'm going to stamp over the top with gold. And I'm going to do a different image on all the nails because I'm playing. I am playing. Have mercy on me. Here we go. I do clean that plate off with pure acetone, and the stamper gets cleaned off on my lint roller. And we're just going to plop along here. This is one of my all-time favorite plates. I love the twirly swirly images, and they could have just named this plate, you know, MOONBABYNAILS Tina's plate, because I use it all the time. It's just one of those plates that I gravitate towards. So I'm trying to line this up. I do want it off-centered a little bit so that both colors show, but, you know, I'm still working on perfecting that double stamp. I don't quite always get it, and, you know, it's because I have shaky hands, and I'm, you know, playing, so, you know, I'm not always the best at paying attention, but that's okay. It's all good in this hood with the nail polish. As long as I'm playing, I'm happy. Let me get my nail polish on so I have some coverage for them nails. Keep them protected as best I can. There we go. Totally out of frame. But y'all, this takes some serious, and people that master this, I'm telling you, I'm in awe of them. Artisan Nail Loom, she blows my mind with how well she lines up stuff. It's just, she does an amazing job on it. And me, I'm a little hot mess, and I appreciate y'all sticking around and watching this hot mess in action. Here we go. We're going to try to get the gold one on top. And like I said, you know, nobody's going to be looking at your nails as close as you are, or, you know, unless you're doing videos like this where people are all up in your business seeing it up real close. But for the most part, these manicures, when you do them, people aren't going to see that. They're still going to think they're fabulous. And I love that image. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's get a gold one on top. Got to use that little piece of tape to get the excess up off the stamper. I'm describing it because I'm out of frame again. Oops. But also I think doing this double stamping with the gold kind of tones down the black. And, you know, so it really makes it look better, I think. Because the black is so stark. Now it depends on what kind of manicure you're going for, what look you're wishing you end up with. So, you know, sometimes you want that pow in your face look, and sometimes you want to tone it down a little bit. And this is a great way of doing that. You don't have to do it with just, you know, black and gold. You can mix up all kind of colors and do it. There we go. Get the last one on there. Ta-da. Yep. And now, since I'm done, I'm going to clean this plate up with some pure acetone and wipe it over with a paper towel. And get my little mat here cleaned up real quick, too. Love my little spark mat. I'm going to be topping this with a smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Make sure I don't smear those images. And now we're going to top it with Posh Top Coat. Love, love, love the Posh Top Coat. But this is my manicure, so I hope you enjoyed it. I do have a swatch photo coming up real soon. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about these polishes and my manicure. And that will be it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.